Welcome to Will's Kitchen Table. Today, Chef Will is gonna make some Jamaican festival. We're gonna turn it up a notch today. So it's gonna be ripe plantain festival. So it's gonna be festival with a twist. All right. So I got some nice ripe plantain right here. I'm gonna be using today. So I'm just gonna jump right in and show you guys how to make this great ripe plantain festival. I'm gonna show you guys all the ingredients I got right here. Let's start right here. So the quarter cup of milk right there, and I got one plantain, and vanilla. I only have one teaspoon of vanilla right there, and that's what we're gonna be using inside this festival right here. It's gonna be great. All right, so let's get this going. Okay, so we're gonna get started. I'm gonna put my 1 cup of flour right inside my bowl there, and I'm gonna get my spices inside. Put the salt and the allspice right there, and also my baking powder. I'm gonna go in with my cornmeal. All right, my sugar. I use granulated sugar. Just gonna mix all that dry stuff right inside. Give it a nice stir with my whisk. All right. So this plantain, gonna cut it, get it open. This is nice and ripe, which is perfect. Gonna give a nice flavor. Right, I'm just gonna cut this up. Throw this right in my little blender right here. And I'm gonna add my quarter cup of milk, or you can use water. Vanilla. Right inside. And my butter, I'm gonna mix it right inside the flour right there. And the butter, it's just room temperature, you gotta keep it, all right? That's only a half a tablespoon of butter. Gonna get this blend. All right, let's go. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna mix this right in the butter with my hands. You just smash it, or you can use a whisk. And I'm gonna add all this mixture right to the flour. So you can just use your hands to scrape it out, because you're gonna use your hands to do the mixture. All right. You're just gonna go ahead and mix this right in, and we're just gonna let this sit for about half an hour before I start making them. All right, so what I do, I got some extra flour here for when I'm rolling these, because it will get a little bit sticky before I can drop them in my oil. All right, so I'll get back as soon as this is done. So just start putting some of these festival inside the pot. I just want to show you guys, you don't want the oil too hot when you're getting them inside. So it's just barely warm right now, so I'm rolling these festival and dropping them. All right, they are gonna be lit, delicious. So this is how you rolled these festival. You can roll it in any shape you like. It just does a little bit of flour inside here. It's a bit sticky. You can flatten them or just do them long way like that. All right, twist, whatever you want to do with them. All right, and they get right in the pot. 2 cups of oil. Any festivals will be looking like this. These are your delicious ripe plantain festival. Nice twist to your Jamaican festival. Flavor up. Yeah, man. You just want a nice brown color on the outside, gold brown then I should say, guys. I'm pretty hungry from the fragrance of these. So get all my tongue twisted there. But these are so delicious. I just want to break one of these so you guys can see. Check out this beautiful plantain festival. Wow. So I just want to break one of these festivals so you guys can see. Nice and soft. You can see the steam coming out of that. They're pretty hot right now. Wow, so soft. Flavor of the plantain up. Ripe plantain flavor. I'm gonna share these up with some nice grilled chicken today. It's a party in my mouth. Wow. Just make you dance. Don't forget to try out this plantain festival. I'm gonna serve these up with some chicken and let you see. Wow. These are so good. Wow. This recipe is a hit. I gotta go. So as you can see, I went ahead and I served these up with some beautiful barbecue chicken tenders. Let's go in with the ripe plantain festival. Just want to say thanks for watching. If you're new to the channel right now, don't forget to hit subscribe, like, and share the video. Catch you in another.